And so which story is presented to children and which story is told when they feel that they don't connect with it is because it isn't their story. And so my whole work is trying to help kids find their story and then go out and change the story of the world. In one way, when I get the pleasure of speaking to kids, they see this guy with a turban and beard walk in, they're not quite sure how I'm going to relate to them. I start off by saying, does anybody know what virtual reality is? Oh boy, do I have their attention. And they start shouting out who their avatars are and what games they play and all this kind of stuff. And then I say, that's all well and good, but I'm here to tell you that what you see out there in the world is virtual reality. The poverty, the injustice, the bullying, the killing, the elder neglect, the environmental degradation, everything is man-made, and that's not because there are preponderance of sisters in the room. It is man-made, and it is virtual reality, and you are the avatars who were born to change that reality, and your tool to do that is story, because whoever controls the narrative is going to ultimately control policy and control how we live together. And so that's the journey that we want to take today in microcosm to see how it can work any place, in anything. So in the midst of this is this background where following 9/11 we were in the midst of a story, literally, where none of our own asking. And out of this power of forgiveness, this was one of the arsonists who felt comfortable enough, her life was transformed. Her life was transformed enough that on the anniversary of the arson, we called it Gathering Around the Light, she brought her newborn baby and her mother and sister to celebrate with us. We are all part of community. We just may not understand each other's stories. So that's how this thing started. So I got to step back here for 1 minute.
Once upon a time, in a place far away, there was a great king.